We're approaching summer. The weather forecast said it would be a beautiful 20 degrees today. I've kitted myself out accordingly, and it's bloody freezing. So sometimes, like with the web design industry, we have to take what we hear with a pinch of salt and adapt to our surroundings. Okay, that was a cheesy transition, but hopefully the message comes across. Don't believe everything everyone tells you. I've seen a number of videos on YouTube over the past few months saying how the web design industry is dead in 2023, so don't even jump in and have a go. I say nonsense to that. I've grown 2 businesses, and our fastest growth periods are often during recessions, where many businesses are looking to circle the wagon. The one message is clear: you don't stop marketing through a recession. Even when you have a downturn, you'll see many businesses who will look to web design companies and agencies to help them outperform the competition and their projected earnings. So today, I thought I'd share with you a handful of reasons of why you should start a web design agency in 2023. That is, of course, if you've got a passion for it and you've got a flair for design and you want to kick on and grow a business in this very exciting environment. So let's be an optimist today. Let's look at the reasons of why 2023 is a great year to start your web design agency. Let's go take a look.
Okay, so we are now going to debunk 5 negative myths around starting a web design business this year. Let's jump right in. Starting with myth number 1, the web design industry is dead.
This couldn't be farther from the truth. The internet is always evolving, and with it, the need for web design. As technology progresses, so does the demand for newer, slicker, and more functional websites. Businesses are constantly needing to stay ahead of the curve, which means they need web designers, like you, to help them keep their digital presence on point.
Myth number 2, there's too much competition.
There's no denying that the web design field is competitive. But remember, competition exists in every industry. Rather than seeing it as a barrier, use it as a motivator to innovate and differentiate yourself. There is always room for unique skills and perspectives. That's what makes the market diverse and exciting.
This video is proudly sponsored by ourselves. So as you know by now, this video is all about the why. Why you should start a web design business in 2023. If you're wondering about the how and the where do I start and how do I go about this, we have the perfect course for you. Introducing Moonshot, Become a Squarespace Web Designer. This 6-week intensive program will cover all the lessons that I've learned in 20 years of the web design industry, building over 3,000 websites. I've made huge mistakes. I've made lots of mistakes. And you don't have to make those mistakes. You'll want to make your own mistakes, obviously. So not only does this course go through each step of the process from why, in my opinion, Squarespace is the perfect product to scale a freelance or agency web design business. We'll also cover the website blueprint. This is my baby. This is a planning process 20 years in the making to help avoid all mistakes later on in the project. We'll then go through mastering Squarespace, how you can build professional layouts time and time again that have a flow, a rhythm from page to page on our websites, and be able to adapt these to a huge range of different client industry sectors. We'll then go on to dealing with some of the snagging issues that web designers have when they don't have experience, dealing with domain names. How do you handle email addresses? How does SEO impact what we do? What about demanding clients? How do we banish imposter syndrome and are comfortable delivering a full agency service? We then look at support and what's available from Squarespace, what's available from us, a team at Pixelhaze Studio who can back you up through your project journey, and also how you can monetize retainers and support plans from your clients. Yes, this is everything neatly bundled up into one package. But we don't just stop there. You'll also get 3 templates from the Pixelhaze store to get you up and running. These alone are worth up to $500. And one more thing. You also have lifetime access to our entire community, all of the other courses like the huge Squarespace Box of Tricks course, which is the largest Squarespace course on the whole of the internet. At Pixelhaze Academy, we're passionate for you to succeed. We'll also be producing new content every month that will be free for you to gain access to, regardless of whether it's on YouTube or behind our paywall. I'll leave a link in the description. So let's jump back to find out why 2023 is a great year to start a website business.
Myth number 3, you need to know how to code to start a web design business.
While knowing how to code can certainly be a bonus, it's not a necessity. Many successful web designers use website builders, like Squarespace, focusing more on the aesthetics, user interface, and user experience. It has never been easier to transition from graphic design to web design.
Myth number 4, AI and website builders will replace web designers.
This is a common misconception. While AI and website builders can create basic websites, they lack the personal touch, the understanding of a business's unique needs, and the capacity for complex functionalities that a web designer can provide. Even as these tools evolve and become more powerful, there will always be a huge number of business owners who will not have the time or patience to utilize this technology for themselves.
Myth number 5. It's not a good year to start a web design business because of the recession.
Remember, economic downturns can also be times of opportunity. Many successful companies have been born and grow during recessions, leaping on opportunities and bolstering their marketing presence. And it's often in these challenging times when businesses need to strengthen their online presence the most.
And there you have it, the debunking of 5 myths surrounding starting a web design business in 2023. What we need to remember is that every year is a good year to start a business if you're driven, passionate, and ready to adapt to your environment.
The only way to truly fail is to never try. So, if you've been considering starting a web design business, why not make 2023 your year? Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video.
And remember, don't let myths and misconceptions stand in your way. Stay creative, stay bold, and most importantly, stay tuned for more. Until next time.